Good morning, guys. Welcome to Jennifer Ode's channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut a right angled triangle neck. So the neck is in the shape of a right angle triangle. So first off, we're going to start with the measurement. So for the shoulder, I like to add 1/4 of an inch to the exact point of our shoulder measurement. For accuracy, you just have it like this. So 1/4, this is half, so 1/4 should be here. So that when cutting the armhole after you are finished joining the parts, if there's any need for you to take out, you still have a little bit of allowance. So, and around sleeve is 18. 18 divided by 2 will give you 9. So straight line down to 9. Then 2 inches above, that's 7. Then you just make a C curve. So our bust measurement is, so you divide our bust measurement by 4 and add 2 inches to it. Same with her top waist, adding 2 inches to it. So now this is where the main focus of the neck is at. So you measure how wide you want your neck to be. You want it to be 4 inches wide, or 4.5 inches wide, or 5 inches wide. That's up to you. But me, I'm going to be using 4.5 inches for my neck width. Then make sure you notch it. It's necessary for this cutting. You notch it out. It didn't reflect at the other side, so I'm just going to notch it again. I don't know why it's notch it. So I'm going to cut this part out. But then my dress has a slant, so I'm not going to cut it to the exact point where your half cut is. You just cut this point out. This point of the armhole, you will have to take it in by half an inch. Whenever you want to cut it, you must take it in by half an inch. But you use this straight line just for the accuracy. But whenever you want to cut, you take it in by half an inch so that the arm will fit. So that the arm will sit accurately in there. So guys, this is the midpoint of the dress. If you like, you can notch it. So guys, remember we're cutting a right angled triangle neck shape. Right angled triangle neck shape. So the depth of the neck is going to be 5 inches. I'm using 5 inches. If you want it deeper than that, maybe you want it to be 6 inches or 7 inches, anyhow you want it to be, but I'm using 5 inches for mine. So going back to the picture, I just realized that the depth is actually more than 5 inches. It has a deep neck, so I'm going to make it 6 inches. That is almost at her band level, my client's band level. So you just rule a straight line to the notched point. Then, you know, we notched it at both sides of the neck wide. That's the width of the neck. So this point A and point B. So now you put your ruler at point A and just connect it to the depth of point B. So you see already, what do we have here? We have a right angled triangle. So I'm just going to cut it out. So hula guys, see, gotten our neck perfect. So thank you. You can join us next time for another episode on our sewing tutorial.